Sometimes the only thing that may be stopping people from buying new crafting supplies is thinking, but where will we store it? We all absolutely adore all of the Craft Your Life project kits. But some people may get FOMO every time they see other crafters using theirs, as they realise that they can't buy it for themselves since these are only available for subscribers. Some people may be on the verge of subscribing many times, but the storage issue stops them. Does this sound like you? Don't worry, we know the struggle. That's why we've collected input from some of our best minds, paper crafters and Altenew fans just like you, to see everyone's top tips and hacks to store their project kits and other subscription products with limited space. After this, there may be no stopping you from getting all of the crafting supplies of your dreams. I found comic book plastic sleeves work okay. They're a little thin, so I don't store my embossing folders in them, but I don't mind so much as I prefer to have those separate anyhow. The large storage pockets from Altenew work well. Can be snug, but I am able to store the full kit in one pocket. I have them in mesh zipper pouches that I got from Amazon and use the sticker they come with, except for the one in the middle, which was my first and I didn't think about it, but I made it myself. I have A4 clear plastic wallets for mine and A5 wallets for other dies and stamps on their own. There are so many different ways you could use to store them. I label mine so I can put them into different categories. How about that? Are you ready to rethink your storage solutions? Why are you still watching this video? Go organize your supplies and subscribe to the Craft Your Life project kit while you still can.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.